Alright, what is up everyone? Today we are going to be doing some 4th of July nails, and we want to start off with 2 coats of spotlight on all of our main fingers here. I'm going to save the accent nail for something else, and that is going to be a special little blue dress on the accent finger as well as the thumb. Next, I'm going to paint the red stripes of our flags onto the white spotlight nails, and this is going to be really unique because I want it to be waving, so every single finger is going to be a little bit different. The lines are not going to be exactly straight. After curing, I mixed a little bit of the blue with the red color to create a darker shade of red. I'm just going to add low lights to our flag here. Same thing in the white section, a little bit of black mixed in with white will make the gray, and that's going to give us our shaded portion of the flag. Now I'm going to use spotlight, and just using the point of my brush, I'm creating little stars on the blue nails. Once we've got that, I can go ahead and use the top coat and topping these nails off to a high shine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and enjoy your 4th of July. Thanks for watching another episode of Nailguytv. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, leave the little ding 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 bell, and yeah, thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.